Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, "I'm not good enough"? You're not alone. According to psychology studies, over 70% of people experience imposter syndrome, that nagging feeling of "I'm not good enough." But here's the truth. You are capable. And today, we're going to remind you of just how powerful you really are. This video is for anyone who's ever questioned themselves. Stick with me, because it's time to stop doubting and start believing. Let's get real for a second. Self-doubt is that annoying inner critic that loves to remind you of all your past mistakes, your perceived flaws, and every reason why you can't achieve your dreams. It's that voice that says, "Who are you kidding?" or "You're going to fail." And you know what? It's a liar. Self-doubt often stems from past experiences, societal expectations, or even just plain old fear of the unknown. It's like this invisible barrier that keeps us stuck in our comfort zones, preventing us from going after what we really want in life. Here's the truth. Self-doubt isn't permanent. It's just a pattern, and patterns can be changed. And just like any habit, you can break it. Think about it. Our brains are wired to focus on the negative. It's called negativity bias. Neuroscientists call it the negativity bias. Our brains are wired to focus more on threats and failures as a survival mechanism. But the good news is, we can retrain our brains. For example, a 2016 study published in Frontiers in Psychology found that practicing daily gratitude for just 8 weeks can shift brain activity and reduce the impact of negativity bias. But we can rewire our brains to focus on the positive, to see possibilities instead of limitations. And that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to dismantle self-doubt brick by brick and build unshakable confidence in its place. You with me? Let's do this. Listen up, because this is important. You are capable of extraordinary things. But sometimes, we get so caught up in self-doubt that we forget how truly amazing we are. We lose sight of our strengths, our talents, and our unique gifts. So here's your first challenge. Grab a journal and make a list of everything you're good at, everything you're passionate about, and every accomplishment you're proud of. Don't hold back. Think back to times when you faced challenges and overcome them. Remember those moments when you surprised yourself with your own strength, resilience, and determination. Write those down too. These are all reminders of your incredible potential. And if you're struggling to come up with ideas, ask a close friend or family member. Sometimes they see strengths in us that we don't even realize we have. This list is your secret weapon against self-doubt. Keep it close, and whenever that negative voice starts whispering, pull out your list and remind yourself of how awesome you truly are. You got this. That negative voice inside your head, the one that says you're not good enough, smart enough, or brave enough, yeah, that voice is a liar. It's time to silence that inner critic once and for all. Negative self-talk can be incredibly damaging. It can sabotage your dreams, erode your self-esteem, and keep you stuck in a cycle of fear and self-doubt. But here's the good news. You don't have to listen to it. Every time you catch yourself thinking negative thoughts, challenge them. Ask yourself, is this thought really true? Is there another way to look at this situation? What would I say to a friend who was having these thoughts? Once you've challenged the negative thought, replace it with a positive affirmation. Affirmations are like power statements that help you reprogram your subconscious mind for success. Here are a few of my favorites. I am capable, I am worthy, I am strong, I am enough. Repeat these affirmations daily, even if you don't believe them at first. The more you repeat them, the more you'll start to believe them. Back up affirmations with proof. Say, I am capable because I overcame X last month. This trains your brain to believe it. And the more you believe in yourself, the less power self-doubt will have over you. One of the best ways to overcome self-doubt is to set achievable goals and crush them. When you set goals, you give yourself something to strive for, something to be proud of. And as you achieve each goal, no matter how small, your confidence will soar. But here's the key. Your goals need to be realistic and attainable. Don't set yourself up for failure by setting goals that are too big or too vague. Instead, break down your larger goals into smaller, more manageable steps. Use the SMART goal-setting method. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of "I want to be confident," try "I'll speak up in meetings twice this week." Tiny, measurable wins build unstoppable momentum. Write down your goals, track your progress, and celebrate your wins along the way. Remember, success breeds success. Each small win will give you the momentum and confidence you need to tackle even bigger challenges. You don't have to go through this alone. Surround yourself with supportive people who believe in you and your dreams. Having a strong support system can make all the difference when it comes to overcoming self-doubt. Talk to a trusted friend, family member, mentor, or therapist. Share your fears, your doubts, and your goals. Sometimes just saying things out loud can help you gain a new perspective. Find a mentor who has achieved what you want to achieve. Learn from their experiences, their successes, and their failures. A good mentor can provide invaluable guidance and support. Join a community of like-minded individuals who are also working towards their goals. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people who will lift you up and cheer you on. Research cited by the American Psychological Association shows that strong social support can significantly reduce stress and self-doubt in high-pressure situations. So text a friend right now and say, "I'm working on X. Can you cheer me on?" We often get so caught up in striving for the next big thing that we forget to celebrate our accomplishments along the way. But here's the thing. Celebrating your wins, no matter how small, is crucial for building self-belief and overcoming self-doubt. Every time you achieve a goal, take the time to acknowledge your hard work and dedication. Give yourself permission to feel proud of yourself. Treat yourself to something you enjoy. Share your accomplishment with someone you love. Or simply take a moment to reflect on how far you've come. These small acts of self-celebration will help reinforce your belief in yourself and your abilities. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. So enjoy the ride and celebrate every milestone along the way. Listen up. You are capable of amazing things. Don't let self-doubt hold you back from living the life you've always dreamed of. Remember, self-doubt is a liar. It's just a thought, and thoughts can be changed. You have the power to choose your thoughts and beliefs. Focus on your strengths, celebrate your wins, and surround yourself with a supportive squad. And never, ever give up on yourself. It's time to rise. You are stronger than you think, braver than you believe, and more capable than you could ever imagine. It's time to rise above the doubt, embrace your potential, and create a life that is truly extraordinary. The world needs your unique gifts and talents. Don't deprive the world of your brilliance. Step into your power, embrace the unknown, and chase your dreams with everything you've got. Because you are more capable than you know. Now go out there and make it happen. Let me leave you with this. You are more powerful than your fear. You are smarter than your doubts. And you are capable of so much more than you've allowed yourself to believe. Don't wait to feel ready. Grab your phone or notebook and jot down one small action you'll take in the next 24 hours. Not tomorrow, today. Momentum begins with that first step. Trust in your growth, your effort, your potential. Because no one else can live your journey but you, and the world needs what only you can bring. If this video sparked something in you, don't let that fire go out. Hit the like button. It helps others find these empowering messages too. Share it with someone who could use a boost today. And if you're passionate about self-growth and building healthy relationships, subscribe for more inspiring content. Check out the video on screen now, or dive into the channel for more like this. Thanks so much for watching.